How to fix Instagram call not working. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, you have to make sure you have a stable internet connection. To do so, head over to your Play Store, search for Instagram, and if there is an update button, press it and then get the latest version. Next, tap and hold the Instagram app. Go to its app info, go to permission. Make sure you have given permission of microphone and also phone, like this. Next, go to its storage section, then tap on clear cache and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.